Today, we're going to take a look at how to install the Oracle LED headlight bulbs on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. If you've been checking out the new JL Wrangler, but you're not sure about the $1,000 LED headlight option, well, you're in luck. The Oracle LED headlight bulbs give you 4,000 lumens of output without blinding oncoming traffic. So let's take a look at how you install the bulbs on the new Wrangler. So first, we're going to need to take the bulb and flip the heatsink. This will allow it to be lower profile so that the back cap can fit back on the headlight when we reinstall it. There's a set screw located right here that needs to be loosened so that we can untwist the heatsink. Now, we're going to need to remove these two tabs so that the heatsink can twist all the way back on. All right, now we just need to open the hood. Starting on the passenger side, in order to get access behind the headlight, we're going to need to move the airbox. In order to do that, we're going to take out this one 10mm screw and just pop the airbox up and out of the way. Take out the back cap by twisting it a quarter turn, set it to the side. The H13 bulb, same thing, quarter turn the same direction. To remove the clip from the bulb, squeeze, pull back, press, and remove. Now, as you can see, when the bulb came out, the gasket stayed in the headlight. You want to make sure to remove this or it will prevent the LED bulb from locking in place. To install the LED bulb and driver, we're going to start by plugging the bulb into the socket and snap this down back in place to lock it. So now we need to take the driver and install it inside the cavity in the headlight housing here. Okay, now looking through the lens, I can see that the keys are lined up and can twist the bulb into place. We want to make sure that the LEDs are pointing left and right as they are here. With the bulb now locked in place, we can reinstall the back cap and put the air box back in. So on the driver's side, we don't need to remove the air box again, but there are some lines. You've got some loom, AC lines that are sort of obstructing what we're doing, so we're just gonna take our time and work between these. Again, with the back cap removed, we can remove the H13 bulb and unplug it. And again, you wanna make sure that the gasket comes out with the bulb. With the factory bulb now removed, we can go ahead and install the driver inside the cavity, then lock the bulb in.